What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Eldridge Family Homestead. We're excited. Today we're going to be building Goose his dog house. So he's been sleeping inside at night. We've just been bringing him in, keep him safe from the coyotes and stuff. But we're ready to build him a dog house that he can kind of spend some time in during the day, and then at night we can put him out there. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. We're excited to have you follow along as we build this homestead from the ground up. If you didn't see our last video, we built a chicken coop for our chickens and guineas, which we have some sad news with that, but I'll bring you guys that update a little bit later. Let's get after it. So in case you can't tell, I'm kind of making this up as I go, kind of using some scrap wood, trying to do it as cheap as we can, but make it as nice as we can. So I just set this up, cutting those like 23 inches tall. That'll be the walls for the side of the doghouse. That's the top and bottom, and the door will be on this side. So I got to build that framing out, build the door, but we're going to cut a bunch of the side stuff, get all the side material cut, and then we'll go ahead and then do the front side and the back. All right, starting to look like a house coming together pretty quick. We're gonna go ahead and face the back side, face the front side, and then cut in the door, and we'll be ready for the room. Well, we got her all finished up. I'll show you guys it real quick. Here's the roof, how it turned out. Pretty easy, just using more of that scrap tin that I had laying around from a long time ago. So, oh, here goes Goose in it for the first time. See if he goes in it. Look at that. It's like you knew this is your house. What do you think, huh? What do you think? Do you like it? You like your new house? We're gonna have to put a blanket in there for you.
Come here.
Marshall's gonna put his blanket in there. We've got it moved right here on the side of the house for now because we're not ready to leave him out 24/7. So this will just kind of be where he can hang out during the daytime. And then once we get his pen built, then he'll be able to stay out there at night. But
Currently, we'll show you where he's been hanging out. He jumps right up here, and he sits with all the boating stuff right here.
all in.
It's his favorite place, so now he has a home.
Well, Mars, I told him I would tell him what happened to the guineas, but I haven't told him yet. You want to tell him?
Where'd we go last night?
I don't remember. Where did we go?
Oh! We bought something freaking awesome last night. We're really excited. You'll have to stay tuned. Crandall's gonna start working on it this weekend. But we went and bought something, and we came home and it was dark and all the guineas were out. They jumped through the window and we lost one of the guineas. So it just ran away. Goose couldn't find it, we couldn't find it. So we only have 4.
So, for those of you that don't know, we started out with 6. And one died, like, within a day of us getting it.
Like
probably.
a day and a half, yeah.
So it died, didn't make it home, or made it home and then died. And then,
Something was, like, wrong with it internally. It's not something we did. It wasn't
Hopefully.
Maverick.
Yeah, it just died. So, and then they all decided to jump out of the window last night, like she said, and I found 4 of them, and the 5th one, I was chasing it around, and it took off into the field, and it's gone. So, I guess there's a chance it could come back, knowing, you know, if it knows that this is its house, but slim chance. So we're down to 4. I don't know if we've got 3 girls, 4 girls. I don't know what gender they are. I'm hoping that we have a rooster and a couple hens, but I have no idea. So I'll give you guys a quick tour of them real quick. They're all hiding in there. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and pull out the divider today so that they can all run together in the same coop. So I'll show you guys that real quick. Okay, they're all over the place. They've knocked their heat lamps down, which they don't need anymore. Go ahead and pull these out. You guys ready to meet your friends? Let's get this board pulled out. So they all like to roost, and them guineas, they would fly up in the window right here to get off the floor. So I'm gonna put a roosting stick in, see how they like it. Need a longer one. Are you kidding me? Guess that's what I get. You can tell they all like being together again, and I'm glad they're together again because I don't have to keep climbing over there to fill up the other water, fill up both of the waters and both of the feeds. So now they're on the same feed, same water, and that'll make it a lot easier. It looks like Goose is enjoying his new home. He has spent a little bit of time in there in the last hour or so, so we're really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like this video if you do, subscribe if you haven't, stay tuned, and we've got some good videos coming.